Good evening, sir and madam. My name is Vishaka Madhya Raut. Subject Corporate Valuation, Merger and Acquisition. My presentation topic name is Different Types of Merger. Merger can be defined as a process of combining two different companies into a single large company. Merger is a voluntary act. It includes the stock swap, also cash payment to the target or stock allows personnel to share the risk or consequences which are involved in the deal. Merger is said to occur when the two or more companies combine into a one company. Merger is defined as a traditional involution two or more companies in exchange of security and only one company survive. Some major merger in India. Related to bank merger, benefits of merger, economic scale, economic scope, opportunity value generated, increase the market share, higher level of competitions across the diversification of risk, tax benefit. Types of merger. There are 5 common refers of type of business combined in known as a merger: conglomerate merger, horizontal merger, market expansion merger, vertical merger, and product expansion merger. These terms are in merger depends on the economic function, purpose of business transaction, and relationship between the mentioned company. Horizontal merger. It is a merger of two competing firms which are the same at the stage of entering process. The acquiring firm links with some industry as the target company. The main purpose of such measure in an economic of scale in a production by the elements of distribution function and the operation are and building the product line, reduce any investment, working capital, implement the competition in product, reduce the advertising cost, increase in market segment, and explore the better on market. Horizontal merger. Vertical merger. A vertical merger is on in which the company is backward by the merger with a company supply raw material and exporting forward in a direct for a unital consumer. The vertical merger will begin the of some industry together who are involved in a different strategy, product, process, or operations. The vertical merger may take the firm for a forward or backward merger. The merger of Reliance Petroleum Limited with Reliance Industry Limited is vertical merger with a background link as per RL is concerned with the merger of manufacturing company with civil contractor company is also a vertical merger with forward linking. Among the supply chain, market expansion merger. A merger take a place between two companies to deal with some product in separate market. The main purpose of the market expansion market is to make sure that the major company can get across the to big market and it's ensure the big client of basis. The market extension decision major in the merger between companies that sell some product or services but that operate in different markets. The goal of market expansion to gain across the largest market and having the big client of customer basis. Market expansion with different markets. Examples: conglomerate merger. It is the amalgamation of two companies engaged in unrelated industry like a DCM and model industry. This base purpose in such amalgamation among the utilize the financial resources and can enhance the depth of capacity. Merger enhance the overall stability and acquires the company and create the balance in company's total portfolio for diversify the product and production process. Two companies in a different market join in a force or one take over the other in order to in the range of service and product. This approach can help to reduce the cost by the combined back office activity as well as the reduce the risk by the operation range of industry. Conglomerate merger involves two great companies entire involved in a different set of activity, product and services. Unrelated companies, conglomerate merger. Example. Thank you.